Hi, I'm your penguin assistant. I can answer questions, tell jokes, and even remind you
Have
about
you
your
ever
tasks.
wondered how to make a
Just ask
character
me
look
anything. I
genuinely
promise I won't
surprised
freeze
instead
under
of simply
pressure.
changing its face? We're going to use some simple, easy-to-use tools in Cartoon Animator 5. You'll see how just a few small adjustments to the facial features can completely change the character's emotion. So, let's get started. With the Face Key Editor,
Hi,
we can
I'm your
control and
penguin
adjust the
assistant.
character's facial features to build the main surprised expression. Then, using the Sprite Editor, we can add different surprise expressions and mouth shapes to make the reaction more expressive and believable. By combining these two tools, we can create much more variety and control over the character's face. Further, we can also add appropriate face profiles and record the facial movements to create different variations of the expression as needed. This gives us even more flexibility, because we can adjust the character's face depending on the intensity of the reaction, whether we want a subtle surprise or a much more dramatic response. By combining face profiles, facial movements, and the tools we've already discussed, we can create natural and expressive reactions that fit perfectly into our animation. We'll also make use of the timeline to fine-tune the animation. Here, we can adjust the timing of each mouth sprite and control exactly when each mouth shape appears and changes. By carefully adjusting the position and timing of these mouth sprites, we can create smoother transitions between the different expressions. This helps the mouth movement feel more natural and makes the overall surprised reaction much more convincing. So, instead of having the expression change suddenly, we can use the timeline to control the movement and timing frame by frame, giving our character a much smoother and more lively performance. And that's all for this tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Keep experimenting with different combinations to bring even more life and emotion to your characters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.